is November 20th. It's pretty cold this morning, about 30 degrees. We got a slight wind out of the east. Should be a good morning. We've already seen one doe across the field moving across, so it's nice and cool. Hopefully the deer are up on their feet this morning and we can get a chance at a good one. Now at this point, I have spotted the buck a few hundred yards off. Throw some calls at him to see if I can get him to come in. I just smoked a giant. Oh my god. I can't believe it. He's laying right there, like 80 yards away. Oh, I can't believe it. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. I'm so excited. I've hunted so hard this year. Put so many hours in. I can't believe it finally just came together. I saw him out across the field, just barely, and I hit at him a couple times with this double S grunt tube, and tickled the rattling bag a little bit at him. And it wasn't 3 minutes later, man, he came running right up this ridge. And I smoked him. I absolutely smoked him. Oh, I'm still shaking. Oh. He is laying over there, 80 yards away, taking a dirt nap right now. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna wait a few minutes and pack all my stuff up and try to stop shaking. and get down and go get my deer. Well, waited a little bit, and now it's time to go find him. I know I saw him go down, and but we're gonna follow the blood trail anyway and get our hands on him. And there he is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. I got trail camera pictures of this buck all through the summer. Called him the big 8-pointer, and he's just bladed after his G3s. And I got a picture of him the other day, and he had that full tine, but he broke it off somewhere between the 15th and the 18th, and I killed him on the 20th. Oh, he's such a beautiful deer, good old mature buck. Now he's done. He's been fighting. Got that tine broke off, got scars right here. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Finally.